Alright guys, you're gonna have to bear with my air conditioner noise. So we're gonna swap out this we're in the CW01 Creations speedrun challenge for the DT02, and we got an Orbital2 brush motor, and we're gonna put a standard hobby wing quick run. Now this is a retail version, not the one that comes with, but it should be the same. The first run was with this one that we had. Now the batteries were he said that got to do 2S, so we're going to be using most likely our URGENEX 45C or 50C 2S. I'll get the charge and we'll get it out. The larger ones won't fit in this tray, the 5200s. So I might try to figure something out, or maybe I'd mount it to the top here. But for the first run with this motor, we'll try with because that's a 70C battery as opposed to the standard. Let me see if I got one floating in here. No, they're all in cars right now. So the off screen, I'll just swap out this Gus Silver Cam. We'll be putting this in there and putting that on there. And when you see your next, we'll be out outside somewhere getting a run in. So I'll see you in a minute.
Alright guys, it's getting late. I want to get this run in before we run out of daylight. The road seems pretty good tonight, so, and this car ain't that fast, so we'll get the GPS on. And make sure we're getting a signal. This is for the CW Creations DT02 speedrun challenge. I'm going to be running in the brushed category at this point. Got a you saw earlier we put in the new motor. I'm going to try and just zip tie this 5200 mAh URGENEX battery. It's 2S. See right there, 2S. Not the GPS. Hopefully, is gaining the satellite, and we're going. Hey, if you guys go on Ollie, these are like $19 right now with two gyroless. Alright, I don't even think I'm going to put the body on it. Probably don't fit though. Yeah, help me see it a little better. Look at that, guys! I don't think that's going to work. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work. That's alright, we'll go for it. We're just winging it. So the hope is, the bats are out. You guys see that? Hope is for like 20 miles an hour or something like that. Not terribly fast car, so. Car. Now this is a very dangerous road. If I haven't told you before, I had 2 people die in my yard. Another guy hit this pole. It's pretty much crazy. So I'm always nervous on this road. Okay, we'll go try and punch it. Full throttle. 01creations. This would be my run number 2. Ooh, not bad at all, guys. 25 miles an hour exactly. See that? 25 miles an hour. And that's the 5200 2S. Quick run 1060. And my Orbital2. Everything else is TAMIYAs and winter's even bearing. Winter's even bearing. Yeah, not bad at all. Hope you guys dig. Thanks for posting this. This is a fun little thing. So I do another run, hop it up a little more, maybe get